Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 28 Part 1
Ichiban uremasu to sell. Atarashi sakuhin ga yoku urete imasu. The new product is selling quite well. Niban odorimasu to dance. Kashu wa odoru koto mo dekimasu. That singer can dance as well. Sanban kamimasu to bite, chew. Kare wa inu ni kamareta. He was bit by a dog. Yonban erabimasu to choose. Kanojo ga incho to shite erabareta. She was chosen as the committee chairman. Goban kayoimasu. Going to and from commute. Watashi wa mainichi daigaku e kayotte imasu. I go to the university every day. Rokuban memoshimasu. To take memo. Kaigi no toki o memoshimasu. I take notes during meetings. Nanaban nesshin na. Enthusiastic, eager. Kanojo wa nesshin ni engi o shiteiru. She is performing quite enthusiastically. Hachiban majime na sincere. Yuki-san wa majime na seito desu. Miss Yuki is a sincere student. Kyuban chodo ii, just right, proper. Kono kutsu no size wa chodo ii desu. The size of these shoes is just right. Juban keshiki, scenery. Yama no ue kara no keshiki wa subarashi desu. The view from the top of the mountain is stunning. Grammar point 1. Verb mass form nagara, verb 2. This sentence pattern indicates that someone performing an action indicated by verb 1 is simultaneously performing a separate action indicated by verb 2, where verb 2 indicates the main action. For example, ongaku o kikinagara shokuji shimasu. I listen to music while eating. It is also used to describe someone doing two things continuously over a period of time. For example, hataraki nagara nihongo o benkyou shite imasu. I am working while studying Japanese.